Hi, chicken. Hi, why are you here? Excuse me, chicken. Mr. Chicken! Mr. Chicken, don't run away from me! Okay. Okay, you're asking for it. There's my grandpa chasing the chicken. Go, chicken, go! Don't be killed by my grandpa! Grandpa, go! Get that chicken's wing. Oh, damn. I think he needs help. Oh, no, not the shack! Not the shack! Not the shack! RG, chicken. Okay, bye, you guys. That's so weird. Oh, my God. I'm falling. I'm literally barefoot. There goes my grandpa. Oh, no. No. Chicken! Run! Run, please, chicken. I need this for the video. Oh, there goes the chicken. Bye, you guys.